Hi everyone, welcome to STEMophile. I'm Imran Shah and today we'll learn about relational operators. These operators are very important because you will be using them a lot in your programs. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to my channel to stay connected with me. Relational operators check the relationship between two numbers or variables, which means these operators compare two values and give us a result in the form of true or false. There are 6 relational operators. Relational operators have less priority than arithmetic operators, which means if an expression contains arithmetic operators along with relational operators, the arithmetic operators will be solved first, and then the relational operators will be solved. These 4 relational operators have a higher precedence than these 2 relational operators. The result of an arithmetic expression can be any number, but the result of a relational expression will only be either 0 or 1, which means either true or false. Let's look at them one by one. This operator is called the less than operator. 3 less than 4 checks whether the first value is less than the second value. If yes, it returns true. If not, it returns false. If you have 3 apples and I have 4 apples, then your apples are less than my apples. It is read as 3 is less than 4 or simply 3 less than 4. So, is 3 less than 4? Yes. So it will return true. But in C, we don't have true or false like other programming languages. So, true is represented by the value 1 and false is represented by the value 0. Remember, 1 means true, 0 means false. Don't forget that. So when this expression is executed, this expression will be removed and its result will take its place, which is 1, meaning the statement is true. But if we write 4 is less than 3, then it becomes false, because 4 is not less than 3. It is a bigger number than 3. So, it is a false statement. And its result is 0. So, let's print the result. We simply write this expression in printf. So, it will print either 0 or 1. Let's run this program. It prints 0, which means 4 is less than 3 is a false statement. The next relational operator is less than or equal to. We write less than sign with a single equal sign. It's a combination of 2 operators, less than and equal to. Its name is self-explanatory. If we write 3 is less than 3, it is false because 3 is not less than 3. But if we write 3 is less than equal to 3, now it's true because if the first value is less than the second value, the result becomes true. And if the first value is equal to the second value, then also the result is true. This is what less than or equal to operator means. Let's run it. It prints 1, which means true. The next operator is the greater than operator. It is the opposite of the less than operator. It returns 2 if the first value is a bigger number than the second value. 4 is greater than 3 is true because 4 is a bigger number than 3. The next operator is greater than or equal to. It is the opposite of less than or equal to, which means if we write 4 greater than 4, it becomes false. Because 4 is not greater than 4. It is the same number. But if we write 4 is greater than equal to 4, then it is true because it returns true if this number is equal to the second number or greater than the second number. In both cases, the result becomes true. If we write 5 is greater than equal to 4, it also gives true because it still fulfills one of the 2 conditions of this operator. So, it prints 1. Equal to. In mathematics, a single equal sign represents the equal to operator. But in programming, a single equal sign represents the assignment operator, which means to store this value in this variable. In programming, the equal to operator is represented by a double equal sign. Many students get confused between these 2 operators. This is called the equal to operator and this is called the assignment operator. We'll learn about assignment operator in detail in upcoming videos. So, we write 4 equal to 4. The equal to operator checks the left value to see whether it is equal to the right value or not. If it is equal to the right value, the result of this expression becomes 1. Otherwise, the result becomes 0. If we write 3 is equal to 4, now that's a false statement. 3 is less than 4. It is not equal to 4. It returns 0. The next one is not equal to operator. We write an exclamation mark with a single equal sign. It returns true if the first value is not equal to the second value. It is the opposite of the equal to operator. 3 is not equal to 4 becomes true because if someone says 3 and 4 are not equal numbers, then he is not lying this statement. It's true. If we write 3 is not equal to 3, it becomes false because 3 is equal to 3. So this statement will return 0. Of course, we can write variables here as well. Most of the time, we'll be using variables with relational operators instead of numbers. It compares the values of variables and returns either 0 or 1. We can write multiple operators in a single expression, like 4 greater than 3 greater than 2. But here comes the twist. You might think it's true because 4 is a bigger number than 3 and 3 is a bigger number than 2. But let's try run it. There are two operators. Which one executes first? Let's look at the precedence table. The precedence says if these operators are in a single expression, then the associativity is from left to right, which means the left one is solved first. Its operands are 4 and 3. So 4 greater than 3 is true, which means it is removed and its result is returned here, which is 1. Now it becomes 1 is greater than 2, and it is false because 1 is not greater than 2. This is why this expression returns 0. If you solve it step by step, it becomes easy. Your task. Please write the result of these expressions in the comments below. Take help from the operator precedence table. In the next video, we'll learn about logical operators. Click here to watch it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to STEMophile. Share this video with your friends, write your feedback in the comments below, and press the notification bell to never miss an update. See you next time and happy coding.